Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a powerful technique for sending personalized emails directly from Google Sheet, complete with attachments, and the best part, no need for additional software and extensions. This could be a game changer for your workflow, so let's jump right in. I have harnessed the power of Google Apps Script to make the process seamless. We will be working with two sheets, one for data input and another for basic email settings. Let's start by setting up our email template and subject. Hand over to the template sheet. In cell B1, let's fill in our subject. So I want to send quotation request to my clients. So subject will be quotation request. We will craft our email message. I already have a template, so I will paste it here. So let's find the template here. Just copy this and paste it in B2 cell. That's it. Subject and email message all set in the template sheet. Next, we move on to entering recipient details in the center sheet. It's a straightforward process. Just enter the recipient name, their email address, if you want to include an attachment, upload it to Google Drive. I already have uploaded it. So generate the link and paste it here, just like this. We have covered all the steps to send personalized email with attachments. Now let's test it out. Go to custom menu, send emails. So you will see email status, which is showing is sent, and we'll also see email sent date and time. So let's check the email, and there it is. One more thing, I'm using a placeholder in name section to fetch the name from email center sheet from column A. So you can see the same in the email. Dear Rajinder Singh, let's open the attachment. And the best part, you can send these personalized emails in bulk. Just upload the data here. Now here's a powerful feature, scheduling emails for a specific date and time. So I have even automated this for you. Go to the custom menu, click on set trigger. A dialog box will pop up to input the date and time. Let's set it up in this format. So I want to send email on 12 September 2023 and time will be 11:30 a.m. Click on OK. And you will see the same date and time in the template sheet in the B3 cell. So if you ever want to remove the trigger, just head back to the custom menu and click on delete trigger. Simple, right? I hope you find this process as exciting and useful as I do. Whether it's for email marketing or sending personalized birthday wishes to your clients, this method not only saves you time but also money because it is absolutely free. You will find the links to both the sheet and script in the description below. Just make a copy and start using it. Moreover, if you need any customization to fit your specific needs, don't hesitate to shoot me an email, which you will find in the description box. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you found this helpful, do share it with your colleagues and business partners. Have an amazing day, and I will catch you in the next one.